In this video, I'm going to show you where we are doing a T51R mod to the He351ve turbos. I'm only doing this because it's the only way I can fix the compressor housings. There's going to be probably 3 people that are going to get these covers in the next couple builds that I do. I don't plan to do a lot of these, so there's going to be probably 3 people that are going to end up with these, which they'll basically get the T51R mod for free, which is pretty cool because it makes the compressor housing look a lot cooler. It also is supposed to sound differently, which people seem to like that. The T51R mod is really popular. However, the process to do it is very time consuming, so it's not something that I typically want to do. But I have to do it on these couple of compressor housings because people had removed the inlets, and the only way that I can fix this is either to spend the time to go and fix them, or I can choose to just buy another compressor housing, which can range from $80 to $200 depending on what the market value is at the time. I've bought one at $80 before, but I have a hard time finding them at that cost. So really at this point, I just am going to just have to fix these because the market value seems to be close to $200 around maybe a couple months ago. I don't know if they're come down or if people are selling them for less, but I really need these compressor housings to work right, so that's why we're going to do a couple T51R mods on the He351ve upgrade that we do, and that's with the 67mm compressor wheel.